Today in review is a keyboard, a colorful keyboard. They come in a number of makes and models and sizes. Check online for further detail about your product. We're going to be opening up the box, show you what you get inside. Nicely packaged, comes in a protective film cover, paperwork, instructions to read. You're a Windows, Macintosh person, this keyboard may be right for you. As you hear the keys, they're nice and comfortable to type on. Easy to push, round versus square. A colorful design all around. On the back of the keyboard, you have rubber tips as your foot pads. You have a battery compartment, a supplied AAA battery, and a dongle. On the side is an on and off switch. We have lights in red, blue, and dark blue. Place the dongle into an empty USB slot. Setting up the device is simple as clicking the OK. This is as easy as it gets. And I typed that down just like that. Keys differ just a little time to get used to, and you're ready to type. FNWE. Hold down for at least 3 seconds. BT52 keyboard. Enabled FN and the key for Bluetooth. When paired, you're able to use your keyboard and your smartphone as one. As you can see me typing in, you have many uses for your keyboard. Use it with the keyboard, laptop, use it with the smartphone, your keyboard, use it with the Macintosh and Windows. It's simple to operate. You have many other different types of things to run music and other things. By looking at the instructions and following the information provided, you'll be able to use your keyboard in no time. When all done, just flip the button up and ready for another day. I hope you enjoy your keyboard. Check online again for further details about the makes and models and designs you are after.